Hot day. Hot day, but we got BYD. Road trip to Batu Pahat. Special road trip. This road trip is for... tengok daripada jauh dia dah buka. Jauh sangat. Road trip to Kambing Golek, Batu Pahat. Kambing Golek Cik An, betul bang? Shout out to BYD. Tengok. Dia cakap belakang got big boot space.
Depan also.
Depan also. Later we take a look at the big boot space in front.
Okay.
So shout out to BYD. Macam sponsor lah one car. We go China road trip.
See, I kick.
Alamak, ni nak kena edit ni. Fully EV. Sea Lion 7
Yeah.
Sea Lion 7 with ample boot space and also front. Satu kambing golek boleh masuk ni bang. Look at the sleek design. Thank you very much.